Hello friends. In this video we will see home remedies for malaria. Let's start. Symptoms of malaria include vomiting, fatigue, weakness, fever, headaches, jaundice and convulsions, most severely when the infection comes from Plasmodium falciparum. The seeds of fever nut contain powerful active ingredients that can help to break your fever and boost your immune system. When a fever breaks, it is essentially the first step towards recovery, and fever nut has been helping people survive malaria for hundreds of years. Eugenol is the active ingredient in holy basil, and is largely responsible for its therapeutic properties, helping to eliminate bacterial infections. Holy basil is helpful in malaria fever. Vitamin C is known as an incredible immune system booster, and this has certainly proven true in the treatment of malaria. Some of the fruits which contain vitamin C are strawberries, oranges, papaya. Malaria can also infect the bowels, which is why diarrhea is such a common symptom, so it is important to keep the bowels clean, and not provide a new place for the parasite to thrive. A warm water enema can keep the bowels clean and healthy. Citrus fruits in general are often recommended for the treatment of malaria. Limes and lemons are easy to get a hold of in many malaria hotspots, and the mixture of antioxidant compounds, vitamins and minerals can help eliminate fever, prevent the spread of the infection, and speed up the healing process. Mixing a few drops of lime and an entirely squeezed lemon into a glass of water is a popular approach, or just take a bite of those tart, healthy fruits. One of the best ways to get rid of malaria is to tackle its symptoms, namely fever, headaches and diarrhea. Cinnamon is a comprehensive remedy, as it can help to improve multiple symptoms of the disease at the same time. Cinnamon has a powerful organic component, cinnamaldehyde, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and has been connected to a reduction in malaria's often violent and painful symptoms. A common and popular treatment for malaria is the use of ginger. Fortunately, ginger is easy to access, particularly in many tropical areas, and can be boiled down into a powerful decoction that will boost your immune system and help to speed the recovery process from the infection. Ginger and its active ingredients gingerol and unique hydrocarbons, are known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial activities in the body, making this one of the most effective natural remedies. There is a powerful substance found in grapefruit, similar to quinine, that has been directly linked to neutralizing those malaria-inducing parasites. You can extract this substance for a concentrated dose, or simply add some delicious grapefruit to your daily diet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment. To watch more videos click subscribe button.